Hi, I'm here. I was able to get in. It's blazing hot. And there's a barbecue, so I think I'll make some barbecue for dinner. And there's a icy plunge and a sauna. I've stayed here before. Here's the icy plunge. There's the hot tub. And there's a sauna too. Is it going? Oh yeah, that's warm. And I think I'm the only one here right now anyway. Yeah, see. It's fine. It's one of those sort of self punch-in places. I'll be alright. It's lovely. The heat is nice. Some tea. Eating their filming. And I really want to go plug in that Go. Oh, and it reminds me to go make a steak on the barbecue. You know, they used to have breakfasts here, and they don't. But there is a barbecue. And I really want to go plug in that Go Bananas neon sign. It's unplugged. I'm going to go plug it in. If they don't call, Lucy Arnez, if you don't call, I'm making a barbecue. So you can see there's no... Here's the room next to my room. It's empty. Nobody's in there. And in showcase number 2, we have the lovely Tappan mini stove. All your dreams come true with Tappan. So it's a very windy. Oh yes, I have to pack. Very windy. So all night the windows are shaking and the doors shaking, and almost sounds like a plane taking off. Oh. Pool umbrellas are knocked over. It's like that time I got hit in the head. It's that kind of windy. So it's come in handy that I got at the thrift store. I gotta go to see the skin doctor today and cancel the foot doctor for tomorrow. I just want to go home. I don't like being here.